Hello children and grown-ups, it is the 29th of August 2020 and it's a happy Saturday. Happy Saturday everyone. Let's say that together. 1, 2, 3. Happy Saturday! And children, please remember that when it is a Wednesday and a Saturday, you will get new videos here at Little Big Hong Kong TV. Now today is a really special day because it is the last video for our August theme, which is a very big introduction of Little Big Hong Kong TV. We will have a very new segment next month, which is My Hong Kong Alphabet and Hong Kong Kids Got Talent. So please do watch out for that. We're very excited. We've been working hard and thinking of content which is entertaining and educational for all of you. And we did listen to your views and your requests and your suggestions, so thank you so much everyone. Please keep them coming. So for now everybody, we will pick the winner after this video. We would really like to say thank you so much to Mommy Maggie and Sydney for making this cooking video. I hope that you all get inspired by this video and whip up a meal. Sydney and Mommy, something very special for all of us. Thank you so much, Mommy Maggie and Sydney.
Hello everyone, welcome to Sydney's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make potato pancake. We need a potato and some flour and pink salt and 2 eggs. Now we need to wash everything and peel the potato. Be careful of the knife. Ask your parents to help you. Now we need to peel the potato skin. I'm gonna ask Mommy to help me peel the skin. After we take off the potato clothes. Yeah. Now we're gonna cut. Now we're gonna use this machine to shred it. After we slice it, we will keep the bigger pieces and the smaller we will.
We like to combine sliced potato and mashed potato together to give it a nice texture. You can do shredded potatoes or any form of potato sizes you like.
Now we sprinkle some salt so we can remove the water
From the potato, is it?
from the potato.
Okay, so you can add a little bit more salt. Okay. And we're gonna leave it in for 10 minutes maybe, okay? And then we're gonna come back to the potato afterwards. So see you later.
See you later. Now we take a little bit and squeeze.
What are you gonna squeeze out?
The water.
Yes, the water that we don't want from the potato.
This is the water from the potato. We don't want it.
Can you show me the potato after squeezing out the water? Can you show everyone? This is dry potato.
This is dry potato.
Yeah. Okay.
Itchy. Yuck, yuck.
Okay, can we do it? Let's try one more time. Another egg. Can you crack it in? So now we're gonna mix it well.
Yes.
Yes, mix it, stir, stir.
I have a jumping potato in my house.
It tried to escape, doesn't it? Okay, so Sidney, now what can you put in the cup of flour? So we add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You put it into the bowl.
Whee!
Okay, can you mix it?
Now we're using the hot pan with oil. Please ask Mommy and Daddy to help you with this hot pan
So we're gonna scoop up a little bit.
of potato.
And then we're gonna flatten it. We're gonna flip it about 5 minutes later and see if it's golden brown.
High five!
I actually turn it on high heat, and then once I put the batter on top of the pan, we'll change it to low heat. To make sure the inside is cooked, we're going to cover it and let it sit for about 2 minutes. Does it smell good?
Yes.
Does it smell like potato?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes.
So after 2 minutes, you can get a metal fork and poke it in, and you can feel the softness of the potato being cooked. And it's ready to serve.
Thank you for cooking with me. Bon appetit. Yummy.
Does it taste good?
Yes.
Yeah? You say bye-bye!
Bye.
See you later!
See you later.
All right, children and grown-ups, are you excited as I am? I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, everyone, let's see who will be the first winner, and we are going to give the mini house first. Okay, we're going to pick 2 winners for the mini house. Are you ready? Let's see who it's going to be. Drum roll. And the first winner for the mini house is Jaren! Oh my gosh! Jaren is the winner! Congratulations, Jaren. You are going to get the mini house. Woohoo! Okay, next one. Another winner for the mini house. Okay, mini house, mini house. It's going to be Delisha! Woohoo! Delisha, you are going to get a mini house, my love. Wow! Okay, awesome. Next one, everybody, is the robot. The robot. Who is going to get the robot? The mini art and craft robot is going to be given to Miles! Oh my gosh, Miles! You're going to get a mini robot. Okay. And next one, everybody. Another winner for the robot, for the mini robot is Denise! Oh my gosh, Denise, you're going to get a mini robot! All right, who is the winner for the mini shop? Who is it going to be? Dun, 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 dun. It's going to be Jaden! Jaden, you are going to get the mini shop. Wow! And the last winner for the mini shop is dun, 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 dun. We have the Syed family. Oh, girls, you are gonna enjoy this. Congratulations to all our winners. Thank you so much, everyone, for entering your name. Congratulations. Your names are above, and the toys that you're going to get is up there too. So have a good look at your names. And for those children, don't worry, you will get another chance in September because your names will automatically be entered in our September giveaway. The toys are fabulous there too. So don't worry, you will get another chance in our September giveaway. Alright, for our winners, we'll order your toys today and hopefully you will get it in a few days next week. It'll probably be around September 3 or 4, if not around September 8, 9, or I hope you enjoy it. And thank you so much for entering our August giveaway. Congratulations, everybody, and thank you. Okay, Pudding, what's the weather tomorrow? Yeah, you go ahead. Aw, thank you, Pudding. And that is it, children and friends. Thank you so much for your support, for liking and for subscribing, and for sharing our Little Big Hong Kong TV videos. We are working hard to make our content exciting and educational and of course Hong Kong made. So please do watch out for our September. I have a couple of kids that have given their videos, but if you want to show your talent and your skills, you're more than welcome to send us a private message and we will keep in contact and communicate with you and your parents, okay? So please be part of the Little Big Hong Kong TV channel. And I think that is it for Miss Arian. I just want to say thank you to all the children, Jaren, Ethan, Leah, Edric, Charlie, Vian, and to my past students. Thank you so much. I hope that you will give us more videos later on. And of course, for today, Mommy, Maggie, and Sydney, thank you so much. And that is it, everybody. Please remember to keep moving forward. And FNS, these videos are dedicated to the both of you. We miss you both so very much. And everyone, let's sing our goodbye song. Na 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 na.